I was a student of madrasa. According to my opinion, madrasa students should learn English. It is necessary, not optional. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Shakil Hussain in front of camera. Today, I will explain why learning English is important for madrasa students and how it can help in both religious and worldly life. The first reason is very important. We know that English is a global language and English is spoken in more than 100 countries people. It is a language of international communication, education, and business and travels. Knowing English, madrasa student can contact with people from different country people. So the second reason is very important. Access to Islamic knowledge. We know that many tafsir, many Islamic authentic books written by English language like tafsir, explanation of Quran and Hadith, and many stories of Islam. By understanding English, student can study works of Islamic many books and spread Islamic knowledge worldwide. And third point is very important, like powerful tools for dawah. Okay, like English is a bridge to invite non-Muslim towards Islam. By speaking English and articles and videos and social media, madrasa student can introduce Islam globally. And today's world very need English speakers for invite to Islam. And fourth point is a very important. Fourth reason is very important, like higher studies and better careers. We know that many university students, many universities require English skills for admissions and research. A student with good English can study any kind of subject like Islamic subject, Islamic law subject, English subject, and mathematics subject, and any kind of subject, whatever he needs. Fifth point, the last point is very important. During host times, we know that host times, many people, they are going to Makkah for Hajj, Makkah or Medina. Okay, if we know English, we can contact from them easily. So according to my opinion, I was a student of madrasa. According to my opinion, madrasa students should learn English. It is necessary, not optional. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.